two trailers are all the buzz right now. One is a pure product of Bollywood, and the other one gives very strong Twilight vibes. Don't mind my voice today. I am a little sick. I've caught a cold and I have congestion going on. First, we're talking about a show where the writer and director is making more news than the stars of the show themselves. Aryan Khan proves that there are more ways to make a splash as the offspring of a famous actor than being launched as another actor. That's clearly reserved for the children of actors who are just famous. But when you are the child of a mega star, the ultimate name and fame of Bollywood, you don't just take directions from somebody. You call the damn shots. I'm not surprised by the sort of love and support this young man is getting, because personally I loved the work he did in Mufasa and The Lion King. Come on, he was perfect. And no, I will not agree that this is the result of SRK fans supporting blindly anything to do with SRK, leave alone someone who carries his DNA, because poor Suhana is still bearing the brunt of her Archie stint, because what was that? Why did I have to remind myself of it? Now coming to the preview, which is also the trailer, right? We do see Aryan Khan on screen making all the relevant SRK references, including the Mohabbatein theme.
एक लड़की थी दीवानी सी.
The guy does have a screen presence, and it is far more obvious than the new crop of youngins who we've been seeing in the new movies. I'm running out of breath. A big chunk of the movie watching population wouldn't mind seeing him as an actor either, and see him make that complete transformation into a Bollywood product. I feel the public, they have already put him up on that pedestal, and maybe he's not liking it, which is where his show comes in, claiming that it is going to make fun of Bollywood, which also seems like a very try-hard approach to seem relatable to the people. बात ये है कि making fun of Bollywood and how actors and actresses are perceived is nothing new. We've already seen this in a lot of movies like Luck by Chance and Tismar Khan as well. Movies that have tried to take the if you can't fight them, join them approach. So I don't know what new is going to come out of this show. The trailer mainly focuses on Laksh, the lead from Kill,
and Raghav,
also from Kill. I had not watched Kill till 2 days back because blood and gore just makes me feel very icky. The only reason I watched Kill was because of this trailer, and honestly I did not think I would see Laksh in another big ticket production this early, despite how good he is. Because such occurrences happen only to people who have industry connections, who they call mom or dad. Does Laksh also have some industry connection? I am not aware. Anyway, we see him running on the roof in Mission Impossible style in a movie set, and then he jumps into the air and makes a landing, and we have Asman Singh literally tapkoing from the Asman. Of course, Asman se tapakte he starts beating people up, because remember Kill? Old habits die hard. He is definitely the hero of the film world within the show. Who else would get a mid-air freeze shot? He also shoots the camera intense looks, he does these fancy tricks with 2 guns, and delivers a corny line about Sitara and Asman. I understand he is on his way to become a superstar in the show. Next we see enemy in one universe, friend in this, Raghav, who is always horny. Anyway, he does this creepy, nightmare-inducing tongue gesture. Ew. This was supposed to be funny, but I found it very cringe, because a mother mistaking her son and his friend to be homosexual lovers being used as a comedic trope is so passe. It was funny in Kal Ho Na Ho days, and then it stopped being funny by Dostana. The montage continues with a young Anyway, she is relevant in the story because she plays the daughter of a mega star portrayed by Bobby Deol, who by the way has become the face of Bollywood comebacks. Aryan must have just walked up to Suhana and said, "Please tell me what you did in the last 24 hours," and made that the story for this character. How easy. Then we see a producer. I don't know, I got very producery vibes from the guy with the mustache who appears after the Sodawala Hollywood Hill frame. He wants to make India ka sabse bada family drama, a statement that makes Karan Johar spit out beeped out shairi
Fan, market, you.
and makes Gautami scream. Cut to a sports car melting the tarmac, and this part looks completely out of a video game because it looks so computer generated. Maybe it's not, I don't know. Then we see Rajat Bedi in welding glasses, a face we have seen somewhere, but well, not enough of. He was in Koi Mil Gaya and Karan Arjun, but technically he's making a debut for the audience under 25. Whatever follows this part is too rapid. I remember seeing Manoj Pava throwing a punch, and I heard that Badshah is also there in the mix somewhere. The preview ends with a nudge to a moment which was most defining in Aryan Khan's life in the public eye. If you've seen the trailer, you know what I'm talking about. Sorry, preview. What is it? The preview right from the start to the end is supported by a soundtrack which sounds exactly like that of Jawan. Intentionally used for recall, or is this the standard sound of Bollywood action movies now? Bottom line, I could not really make out much what the story would be. One thing is for sure, it has a hell of a star cast, which very well could turn out to be just cameos for hoo-ha moments, speaking at Salman Khan's bullshit party line.
Bullshit party.
Bullshit party. Bullshit. Sounds fun, but I hope the cameos, as they normally do not distract from the story, because the whole purpose of this show is to place Aryan Khan as a storyteller. Aryan Khan seems to be a person who is very well aware of what makes Bollywood movies cringe, and he's also aware that this cringe factor has a very big audience. What are the chances of him following the exact same formulas while saying, ha ha, I'm just kidding, and trying to please both the audiences? You know, like running with the hares while hunting with the hounds. That would be annoying. We'll find out next month, I guess, when the show releases on Netflix. Hi, I'm Jessica. I watch movies and talk about movies and shows and trailers on my channel. Please subscribe for more, like and share the video.